Wallbox embraces NACS charging connector option. Wallbox announced that its Supernova DC fast charger will be offered with the Tesla's North American charging standard NACS charging connector as an option. The company announced the decision earlier this month, as one of roughly 10 other EV charging companies. Following Ford and General Motors' announcement about the switch from the combined charging system CCS1 to NACS. Today we already know that the NACS coalition will include Rivian. So there is no surprise that EV charging equipment manufacturers are working on the NACS option. Wallbox, founded in 2015 and headquartered in Barcelona, Spain, intends to incorporate the option for NACS on its 180 kW kW Supernova DC fast chargers, which are expected to enter the North American market later in 2023. However, let's note that we are not sure when exactly the CCS1 compatible Supernova will get the NACS option. It might not happen immediately. So far, Wallbox sold this model in 33 countries globally, mostly in Europe. Enrique Asuncion, CEO and co-founder of Wallbox, commented, "At Wallbox, we understand the importance of interoperability, which drives us to design chargers that are universally compatible. Incorporating the NACS aligns with our vision of creating a frictionless charging experience for all EV drivers. As a vertically integrated company, we can rapidly integrate these advancements, supporting industry shifts that make EV charging simpler and accelerating the transition to sustainable transportation." The North American version of the Wallbox Supernova will be produced at the company's Arlington facility in Texas, which opened in late 2022. At the time, Wallbox announced that the site was designed to produce over 250,000 charging points, mostly simple AC charging units, and scale up to 1 million units annually by 2030. The $70 million project is expected to double the local workforce over the next 12 months and bring approximately 250 jobs to the Arlington area by 2025 and approximately 700 by 2030. The company also offers the Hypernova DC fast charging model, which is rated at up to 400 kilowatts. And we don't see a reason why this higher power model would not get the NACS plug at some point in the future. Wallbox Hypernova DC fast chargers. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.